Jordan Cousins is a professional footballer who plays as a midfielder for Championship club Stoke City. Cousins began his career with Charlton Athletic, breaking into the first team in 2013-2014 after progressing through their academy. He became a regular with the Addicts, playing 136 games, scoring 7 goals and getting 7 assists. Charlton suffered relegation in the 2015-2016 season and he left for Queen's Park Rangers. He spent 3 seasons at Loftus Road, making 70 appearances, scoring 1 goal and getting 1 assist before joining Stoke City in June 2019. So far, he has made 45 appearances for Stoke City. Cousins has been capped by England at under 16, under 17 and under 18 levels. He appeared for the under 17s at both the 2011 UEFA European Under 17 Championship and the 2011 FIFA Under 17 World Cup.